welcome to the demo of GreenPages. GreenPages is a new revolution in the software industry which enables you to build high-converting landing pages and websites without a single line of code. You don't need any coding experience. All you need is access to GreenPages and start creating light-speed pages for your business. And not only that, GreenPages comes with pre-tested headlines, subheadlines, bullets, pre-sale templates, which you can easily edit and use on your own landing page and sales page. So let's go inside the software. Here you'll be automatically redirected to the template page. From here you can see all the categories we have, which are landing page, checkout page, coming soon page, giveaway page, opt-in page, sign up page. All these categories have different templates within them. Let me show you. As you can see, every category has different kinds of templates. Now let me show you how easy it is to customize your page with our template editor. Click here to change this image like this. You can customize the text and headlines in all the sections. This is so easy that any newbie can use it. Now suppose you want to add a new element like image, video, block list, or any other element. All you need to do is simply drag and drop it anywhere you want it on the page. And if you want to build from scratch, we have a blank template option which you can use to create your own pages from scratch. All our pages are designed to be responsive. You can see how it'll look on mobile, how it'll look on a tablet, and how it'll look on desktop. Furthermore, we have integrated different autoresponders for you to connect your favorite autoresponder with GreenPages and grab leads right from your page. Once you're done, you can download the page right here. That's not all. We've also integrated a premium stock image and video system where you can download quality images and videos all for free. Simply search using a keyword and you'll get videos and images that relate to what you're looking for. Just like this. All these assets are copyright free and of high quality, so you can use them anywhere on your site. There's nothing like this in the market. So rest assured that GreenPages will solve all your website problems. If you encounter any challenge, which you most likely will not, we have our support team on standby to assist you. Thanks for watching. See you inside the software.